Hi friends, the book for the day is Cat's Cookbook. Cat's Cookbook. It's written by Julia Donaldson and illustrated by Axel Scheffler. Cat has got a nice red pot. She wants to learn to cook. And honestly, cooking could be fun when you're good at it. Maybe Aiken Library will have a helpful book. Now, let's go in, shall we? Yes, let's go in. Ta-da! Oh my! There are lots and lots of books in here. Where do we even begin? Could this yellow book be right? Well, it's very big and fat. No, it's full of stories about a vampire bat. That's disappointing. The vampire bat sure looks funny. He does, doesn't he? Cat has found another book. This one's small and green. I don't think it's the book. No. But let's find out anyways. Open up the cover. Look, it's all about a queen. It really is a queen in here. She's so pretty. Could this blue book be the one the cat is looking for? Is it? What is it going to be about? Let's find out. Oh, great big dinosaur! Oh, Maybe Frog who works here can help her find a book. Will this orange one be right? Open it and look inside. Let's do it. It is the book. It's the book we've been looking for. And it's got lots and lots of cooking content inside. Now this page has something interesting, something that looks very yummy. Cat has cooked a very, very tasty meal. It's macaroni cheese. All her friends hold out their plates. Second helpings, please. They need more. That looks yummy. Can I bring my plate so I have some too? Yes? Thanks, cats. That was fun, but now I have to go. I hope you enjoyed the book and I hope you learned something from it. Well, until next time, have a lovely, lovely day. Goodbye, friends. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye. The end. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.